Many of us are looking for side hustle that we could actually use to supplement our income, but really not sure how to go about this or where to start. Well, if that is the case, you are in the right place, because in today's video I'm going to show you how to earn money by watching videos on the internet. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn what you already love to do into cash. Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Online Cash Craft. What we talk about here is how we can make money online using the internet. Today is the very first time of coming across this channel. Thank you so much. You're welcome. And if you have been here before and you decided to come back, thank you. You are very much welcome. So the very first platform I'm going to show you today is how you can make money using YouTube videos. Using YouTube videos to make money nowadays are not that difficult. It's something anybody can do wherever you are. And the way to access this is what I'm going to take you step by step and show you, and also show you how you can actually make the money by this particular format. So guys, the very first step we would have to take is to go to YouTube. Now, if you don't have an account with YouTube, you have to create one. And when you log back into your account on YouTube, we're going to look for viral videos. And the viral video we're going to look, we're going to copy the link of that video, and I will take you to a platform that you can use to shorten the link of that video. And I'm also going to show you how you can use that link to start making money. Search for viral videos on YouTube. These videos, they have so many views, but we can actually, you can see this one has 192 million views. This particular video here, this one got 55 million views. So all these are videos that are doing so well on the platform. Let's just look for a particular kind of niche in this viral video we are looking for. Let's say we want a video on Minecraft. These are the viral videos when it comes to the niche of Minecraft. So 101 million views. So this one is very popular video. So let's say we want to use this particular one here. So you click on the video, you see where it says share, the arrow here. You click on share, and then you copy the link. Now the link you're copying is the long link of that particular video, but I'm going to take you to a platform where we're going to shorten this link to use it to make money. So guys, the link we have copied from the YouTube video, the Minecraft YouTube video, we're going to take it to a platform that is called 7hour6.com. So this is where we're going to shorten that link. And when we shorten it, it's either you watch the video yourself or you paste the link where people will see that link, use it, and watch the YouTube video. As you're watching the video via the shortened link, this particular platform will be paying you. This is how you make the money. So come with me and I will show you the screen of how to go about all of this. So if you have signed up to 7hour6.com, then you would have to log back into the platform. Now, when you log back in, this is how the platform looks like. So what you need to do, you click here that says new shortened link. When you click on that, it gives you the avenue here. You click on it and paste the link we just copied. Now you click on it. These alias here, we're going to add a Minecraft one as the alias. Then we'll click on shorten. So we've shortened the link, and you can see, as you can see, this is the new link here, this one here. Now what we'll need to do is, this is the link we're going to be making use of from now henceforth. So we're gonna copy this link and paste it where people will see it, and you can do this as many times as you want. So we're gonna head over to steamcommunity.com. This is where we're going to use the link that we have shortened. So you type in steamcommunity.com, and this is the platform. Remember, you would have to sign up to this particular platform. Now, when you sign up, you click on community. Community activity, community and official content for all games and software on Steam. Welcome to the Steam community. Log into the Steam community to find more hubs to browse. These are the discussions they have on the platform. So you could be one of the people posting your own discussion here and attaching your link, the shortened link, under your own discussion that you have posted. This is how this platform works. Click on the game forum. You can see this one posted 20 minutes ago, this one 3 hours ago, and this one 5 minutes ago. So these are discussions on game forum that people had posted, right? So what you do, you post your own discussion and add the link that you have shortened, that video link. And you can put up a post like, hey guys, have you seen this amazing Minecraft video? It is going viral, take a look. And you paste the link and people will click on it because that video is already viral on YouTube. So when they click on it, it takes them to YouTube. They see that the video is already going viral. They would watch it and you get paid. This is how these things work, guys. That you can actually do this as many times as possible. All you need is go to YouTube, get a viral video link, go back to 7r6.com, shorten the link, come back to this platform, paste the link, and that is it. So you do it as many times as possible and you're earning as you do this. So the next platform I'm going to show you that you can use to earn money online is a platform that is called MyPoints.com. So this is an online cashback platform that has been in existence since 1996. You can agree with me that if this is not legit, they wouldn't have survived the market up until this time. So there are different ways you can earn money using MyPoints.com. Number one way is by watching videos. You can also take online surveys to make money. You can shop online as well, buy your groceries, and so many other ways that you can make money using this particular platform. This platform is not difficult to start. All you need is just your email address. You check where it says you accept their terms and conditions, create a password, and you're good to go. So it might interest you to know that the site does not have any hidden fees attached to it. No credit check, and there is no commitment as well. So I'm going to take you to the platform and show you how this works. Google and you type in mypoints.com, it takes you to this and you click on this particular one, your daily rewards program. That's what mypoints.com is all about. So this is their platform, the way it looks like. Join now for free, get a $5 welcome bonus. Now, what do they need for you to sign up? Just your email address. You create a password. You click on I agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, and you click on join now. Very simple to join. Earn points to redeem for free gift cards, rewards. So these are the stores that you can spend your card on. You can spend whatever you have earned on them. So ways to earn. How is it easy to earn on this platform? Earn either by shopping, up to 20 points cash back, or by surveys. You can participate in surveys up to 2,200 points per survey, or fun and games up to 4 points per game. So these are different ways you can earn using this platform. So there are lots and lots of things you can do to earn money using this particular platform. Redeem your point for gift cards. These are the ways that you can redeem your points. So many stores that you can redeem your point with. Trustpilot had given them excellent based on 23,058 reviews. These people are trusted. And see what people are saying about them too. These are the places you can spend your points when you earn them. This platform is so easy to navigate. Click join now. These are the featured stores. These stores are the featured stores. MyPoints is not available in your region. So before you sign up, you check if it's available in your region. Check out our available partners. So that is what it's all about. But it is available in so many places. Right, so that is how MyPoints work. The next platform I'm going to show you today to earn money with is a platform that is called WiseSense. So all you need to do is like the MyPoint platform, you go to Google, you type it in. But let me quickly give you a rundown of what this platform is all about. So with WiseSense, you get paid for watching videos. Not only watching videos, you also get paid for trying new products on the platform. You get paid as well by downloading apps and for signing up for websites and taking part in surveys and much more. So these are different ways that you earn money using WiseSense. So now that I have told you what WiseSense is all about, how you can make money using WiseSense, I'm going to show you what the platform looks like, how you can sign up, and how you can start earning money. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do give me a subscribe and give me a thumbs up for this video. Don't forget to click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload any new video, you'll be the first to be notified. So if you want to sign up with WiseSense, you just go to Google and you type it in wisesense.com. Click on this one here, earn free cash online, making extra money with WiseSense. So this is how the platform looks like. So you can actually earn money with this platform via survey, offers, affiliates, cash out, forum, and much more. Much more bonuses and blogs and all of that. How can we earn money? Earn extra cash online. Earn extra cash online. WiseSense is a global online community with multiple earning options. Join now and start earning with paid online surveys, cash offers, and more. So how to sign up with this platform? All you need is just your email address, your password. You click here that says I agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, and you click on join now. This is how simple it is to join this platform. How do you earn money with a WiseSense? You earn money by paid surveys, earn cash for taking free paid surveys while influencing the next generation of products, services, and much more. So cash offers, get paid for trying new products and services, signing up for websites, watching videos, and more. Referrals, share your WiseSense with your friends and watch your earnings grow. You will earn up to 30% of what your referrals make. So with WiseSense, we've checked the cash out, different ways in which you can cash your money out. Now let's check about the forums, because they have also put a lot of things in place here. They have forums that you can actually join to get support on their platform. If you click forum here, these are different forums they have on their platform. You can really get support from their members. Click on WiseSense Knowledge Center. You'll be able to access FAQs, question and answers, how to contact customer support, survey tips, and all of that. You can agree they have a lot of support already in place for whoever wants to be a part of them. Down here it says international. This goes a long way to prove that this is something you can do wherever you are in the world. So if you're Portuguese, this is the Portuguese forum. You click on it. If you're Italian, French, German, Hindi, Urdu, Philippine, and Filipino, Indonesian, Arabic, and so many countries of the world are represented here, you see. So you just go ahead, you check for your own country and you join the forum. That is the way you get the maximum support that you need. And why are they giving you this support? Because they want you to earn money, isn't it? So go ahead and have a look at the forums and join the forums. At the moment, as we speak, they have 226 guests. And the following 7 members were active in the past 10 minutes. So, yeah, that is that, guys. That is that. Okay, guys, that brings me to the end of this video. So, I hope you have been able to get value from all the content that we shared today. Let me know what you think about this video. Please, whatever comment you have, do share your thoughts with us. And once again, thank you so much for joining me and watching this content. I hope to see you in my next, and do not forget to click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload any new video, you will be notified. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you so very much. I think you might want to watch that video up there. I hope to see you in my next. Thank you.